Hi, I'm Christina and welcome to my channel ChriskaYoga. Today is day 22 of the 30-day yoga reset challenge. Today we'll be focusing on freeing your spirit. So this is yoga for a free spirit. This class was designed to free your spirit and let who you truly are come out. It may sound a little bit woo-woo or whatever you want to call it, but it's a great class overall, so I hope that you enjoy it. Before we get started, if you aren't subscribed yet to this channel, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell down below the video. It's free to subscribe, completely free, and I would love to have you as a part of this community. If you would like access to all 30 days, all 30 classes for this 30-day yoga reset challenge without intros and outros, without YouTube ads, and with the ability to practice without needing an internet connection by watching on your phone, your tablet, or your TV, then definitely check out my membership site called My Yoga Habit. It's a great way to build a yoga habit in your life, and you can practice the entire 30-day challenge for free because I'm offering throughout the month of September a 30-day free trial. So anytime you join throughout the month, you can get 30 days from that date completely free to try out any of the content that's available on that site. So if you would like to try it out, join My Yoga Habit, and click the link provided in the description box below and on the screen in the card section of this video. So if you're ready, grab your yoga mat and let's get started. We're going to come to sitting on top of our yoga block in hero pose or virasana. So come down onto your knees and bring your knees to touch and your feet out wide. Sit your hips on top of your yoga block. I like to keep it at the medium height, placing it on my sits bones. The tops of the feet are on the floor, not touching the block. Your hands are on your thighs, sitting up tall. Close your eyes. Lengthen your spine on your inhale. And on your exhale, widen your shoulders apart. Come inward, focusing on the breath. Quiet the mind, focusing on your inhales and your exhales. If another thought comes into your mind at this point, as soon as you notice that it's there, gently set it off to the side and come back to focusing on the breath. And remain here. Slowly come to open your eyes. Gently bring your block off to the side and come to standing in a wide-legged position. Feet parallel. Bring your hands to your hips. Bend your knees and send your hips back as you fold your torso over your legs. Take hold of opposite elbows in your hands, and we'll begin to sway our torso from right to left. So you can use your knees and your legs to help sway your torso by alternating bending and straightening your legs, bending your right, straightening your left, and switch. And as your legs bend, your torso shifts over to the side. Slow and smooth movements here. Find your rhythm Allow your head and your torso to hang over completely and continue to sway. Slowly come to stillness. Bring your hands to the ground. Turn your legs out from the hips, bending the left leg and lunging over to the left. Keep the right leg straight. Bring the left forearm to your left thigh and your right arm up and over on the diagonal. Hold and reach. Slowly make your way out of your lunge to the side. Bring your feet back to parallel, coming back to your forward fold, and then coming back to your sway. Alternate bending and straightening your legs, gently allowing your torso to hang over and sway from right to left. Slowly come to stillness. Place your hands on the ground. Turn your legs out from the hips. Bend your right leg, straighten your left, lunging over to the right. Keep your forearm on your right thigh and your left arm up and over on the diagonal. Slowly come back to your forward fold. Bring your hands to the floor, feet parallel. Hold on to opposite elbows and continue to sway once again from right to left. Slowly come to stillness. Bring your hands down and walk your hands over to the left leg. Step the left leg back into downward facing dog and once again begin to pedal your legs. Alternate bending and straightening your legs, gently warming up the leg muscles and the hips. Come to stillness in your downward facing dog. On an inhale, raise your left leg up behind you and turn the leg out from the hip, bending the leg. Allow the weight of your leg to stretch the entire left side of your body here. And to take it even further, step that leg behind you. Reach your left arm up and over. Keep the right leg straight for wild thing. Bringing your back into an arch. Reach energetically up and over. And from here, slowly shift your weight back to three-legged downward facing dog. Step the leg back into downward dog and begin to pedal the legs once again. Slowly come to stillness. Raise the right leg up, three-legged dog, and turn the leg out from the hip, bending the right leg, allowing the weight of the leg to stretch the entire right side of your body. Take it even further by stepping back behind you, straightening the left leg, and reaching the right arm up and over on the diagonal, coming into an arch here for wild thing on the right. Slowly and gently shift your weight back into three-legged downward facing dog, right leg up. Step it back downward dog and pedal the legs once again. Bring yourself to stillness and on an inhale, raise your left leg up, turn the leg out from the hip, bending the left leg. Stretch the left side of your body for a moment and then step it forward in between your hands, coming into low lunge on the left, dropping the right knee down onto the ground and untucking the right toe. Bring your right hand underneath your nose and twist your upper body to the left, reaching your left arm up, palm facing the left, looking up towards the ceiling, holding here in your twist. Come back to center, tuck your right toe, step back, downward facing dog. Pedal your legs, alternating bending and straightening. Slowly come to stillness and breathe. Raise your right leg up behind you, turn the leg out from the hip, stretching the right side of your body. Turn that leg in and step it forward in between your hands, coming into low lunge on the right. Left knee down, untuck the left toe. From here, twist your upper body to the right, reaching your right arm up, energetically looking up towards the ceiling. Hold here in your twist. Come back to center, tuck your left toe, step back downward facing dog, and once again pedal your legs, adding some movement into your downward dog. Bring your legs to stillness. Hold your downward dog, breathing deeply in and out through your nose. From here, bring your knees down to the floor. Touch your big toes together. Separate your knees the width of your yoga mat in a wide leg child's pose. Relax your torso down. Bring your forehead to the floor. Reach your arms out in front of you. Relax here. Relaxing your chest towards the ground. Open your heart center towards the floor. Remain here. Lift your head up slightly. We're coming to a twist, threading the left arm underneath the right, bringing the right side of your head to the ground. Hold here in your twist. Come back through center, twisting in the opposite direction, threading the right arm underneath the left, bringing the right side of your head to the ground, and breathe in your twist. Slowly come back to the center and make your way up to a seated position. We'll come to lying on the back, so take hold of your blanket before we come into our shavasana. Fold it into a short rectangle, and then you're going to lie flat on the ground in shavasana, separating your legs apart. Place the blanket on top of your pelvis and press the blanket into the pelvis to ground yourself down. From here, relax your legs, place your hands down by your sides, turn your palms upwards towards the ceiling, close your eyes, come back to the breath. Breathing in through the nose, and then releasing the breath out through the nose. Focus your attention inward on the inhales and the exhales, and remain here. Bring some gentle movement into your limbs. And when you're ready, bend your legs and set your blanket off to the side. Roll to the right side of your body and rest there with your knees bent, bringing your arm under your head for support. Press yourself up to a seated cross-legged position. Cross your shins. Flex your feet under your knees. Bring your hands to your legs. Sit up tall. Close your eyes. Bring your hands to meet at the center of your chest. Bow your head to your fingertips. Namaste. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this class. If you liked it, please take 2 seconds and hit that like button down below the video, giving it a thumbs up. It really would help to support the channel by telling YouTube to share it with more people. So it would mean a lot to me if you gave it a thumbs up, shared it with your friends, commented below the video letting me know how you're doing, how you're liking everything so far, how you're liking the challenge. I always love to hear from you. I always reply to your comments, so leave me a comment below as well. If you're not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell down below the video. It is free to subscribe here on YouTube, and I would love to have you as a part of this growing community, so please join us. For even more yoga resources from me, check out my website, ChriskaYoga.com, and don't forget to also follow me over on Instagram at ChriskaYoga for yoga motivation and inspiration, behind the scenes of this channel, so much more. All of the links to everything that I mentioned and more are listed in the description box below. Thank you so much. See you next time.